If you've been dealing with bloating, brain fog, food sensitivities, or mystery inflammation, and you've tried everything, here's something most doctors never tell you. Your DNA might be working against your gut. In this video, I'm going to discuss 5 specific genes that, when they carry common variants, can quietly destroy the lining of your intestines. I'm going to cover what they do, their symptoms, and most importantly, what you can actually do about it. Here's the frustrating reality. Millions of people are doing all the right things, eating clean, taking probiotics, cutting gluten, and still feeling terrible. Why? Because they're ignoring the root of the problem. Leaky gut, or intestinal hyperpermeability, isn't just about what you eat. It's about whether your body was built to protect that gut lining in the first place. The tight junctions that hold your intestinal cells together, the enzymes that digest your food, the proteins that calm inflammation, all of them are controlled by genes. And if those genes have variants, the whole system starts to crack. The good news? Knowing your genetic vulnerabilities means you can finally stop guessing and start targeting the actual problem. Let's get into it. Gene number 1 is ABP1, also called AOC1. The ABP1 gene encodes the enzyme diamine oxidase, or DAO, your body's primary defense against histamine from food. It breaks down histamine in the gut before it causes damage. Roughly 10 to 20% of people carry ABP1 variants that significantly reduce enzyme activity. When DAO is low, histamine builds up, triggering inflammation and causing the barrier to break down. This causes bloating, headaches, or hives after certain foods. For support, reduce high histamine foods and consider supplemental DAO enzymes before meals, along with cofactors like vitamin B6, copper, and vitamin C. Next is MTHFR. This well-known gene controls your body's ability to convert folate into its active form, methylfolate. Methylfolate is critical for DNA repair, inflammation control, and producing the powerful antioxidant glutathione. This is one of the most common genetic variants. The C677T variant is carried by approximately 40 to 60% of the general population. Low methylation impairs your gut's primary antioxidant shield. Without it, oxidative stress damages intestinal tight junctions, leading to fatigue, anxiety, and recurring gut issues as the lining becomes more permeable. Support involves using methylfolate, active B12, and riboflavin. NAC, or liposomal glutathione, can also help replenish the antioxidants your gut needs most. The third and most important gene is FUT2. FUT2 determines whether you're a secretor. It controls the structure of your intestinal mucus layer, your gut's first line of defense. About 20% of people of European descent are non-secretors. They have a thinner mucus layer, which reduces the diversity of beneficial gut bacteria. Non-secretors are more vulnerable to gut infections like norovirus and H. pylori, leaving the epithelial lining exposed and increasing chronic digestive vulnerability. Focus on targeted probiotics like Bifidobacterium longum, prebiotic fibers, and 2'-fucosilactose to support your unique gut environment. Next is the NOD2 gene. Think of it as your gut's security guard. It detects bacterial components and coordinates an appropriate immune response. When NOD2 is dysfunctional, the immune system either over-responds to harmless bacteria, causing chronic inflammation, or under-responds to real threats. Certain variants dramatically increase the risk for Crohn's disease. Symptoms include recurring gut inflammation, susceptibility to infections, and food reactivity. Support your immune function with an anti-inflammatory Mediterranean-style diet, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, and prebiotic fibers like butyrate producers. And finally, gene number 5 is the claudin family. Claudins are the proteins that literally build the tight junctions between your intestinal cells. They act like the mortar between bricks, physically sealing the gut lining shut. Research links variants in these genes to increased permeability risk. When these proteins are malformed, the tight junctions become loose, and that's textbook leaky gut. This triggers systemic inflammation and brain fog. To improve claudin activity, consider supplementing L-glutamine, zinc carnosine, and collagen peptides. Also, avoid chronic NSAID use and alcohol, which are known to disrupt claudin function. Alright, here are the 3 big takeaways. First, genetics is not destiny. It's a roadmap. A variant doesn't mean you're doomed, just that you need a targeted strategy. Second, these genes often compound each other. Having both MTHFR and ABP1 variants is a double hit, making testing and a full picture even more valuable. And third, the gut lining can heal, but only if you remove the right obstacles. If you're eating foods your genes can't handle, no supplement will fully compensate. If you've been spinning your wheels with gut issues, consider getting your genetics tested through panels like 23andMe, Ancestry, or other comprehensive functional genomic options such as the FGA panel. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, follow, and share with someone. If you would like more information on genetics, functional gut testing, or need your genetic data interpreted, visit our website at www.anhcg.com for more information. Thanks for watching.